second chance, dapat bang ibigay? Alam mo yung feeling na gusto mo pa ring bigyan ng second chance yung tao kasi mahal mo pa, kasi may memories pa, kasi umaasa ka na baka magbago siya this time. Pero ito yung masakit na totoo. Hindi lahat ng second chance deserve ibigay. Kasi may mga taong hindi nagbago, naging mas careful lang. Mas maingat lang para hindi mahuli. Yung dating sakit pa ulit-ulit lang pero ibang packaging. You tell yourself, siguro this time iba na, pero deep inside, alam mo na yung pattern. Alam mo na yung ending. Kasi nandun ka na dati. And here's the hardest part. Minsan, hindi ka na mahal pero pinipili ka pa rin nila. Kapag convenient, kapag available ka, kapag wala ng iba. So, you start losing yourself trying to fix something that was never really building you up in the first place. Second chances are not always about love. Sometimes they are just about fear. Fear of starting over. Fear of being alone. Fear of letting go. But listen, not everyone deserves access to the better version of you twice. Kasi yung peace mo hindi dapat laging inuulit sa taong paulit-ulit ka ring sinasaktan. So, bago ka magbigay ulit ng second chance, ask yourself, binabalikan ko ba siya dahil nagbago siya? Or dahil sanay lang akong masaktan? Kasi minsan, the real glow up is choosing yourself the second time around.